In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically resize your cells in Google Sheets. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and noticed that some text is cut off, or that your rows and columns are much larger than they need to be, this quick adjustment can make your sheet look much cleaner and easier to read. The good news is that Google Sheets has a built-in way to automatically fit everything for you, and it only takes a few seconds. To begin, open your Google Sheet and look toward the top left corner of the spreadsheet. You'll see a small blank square sitting directly above row 1 and just to the left of column A. This is called the Select All box. Clicking this box highlights the entire sheet at once, which is important because it tells Google Sheets that you want the formatting change to apply to everything, not just one section. Go ahead and click that Select All box. Once you do, the whole spreadsheet will become selected. This means every row and every column is now active and ready to be adjusted together. Next, move your cursor up to the column headers, where you see the letters across the top of the sheet. Place your mouse over the line between any two column headers. Your cursor should change to show that the column width can be adjusted. When that happens, double-click. Google Sheets will automatically resize all selected columns to fit the content inside them. This is especially useful if some columns contain longer text, while others only have short entries, because it helps each column match its contents more naturally. After that, do the same thing for the rows. Move your cursor to the row headers along the left side of the sheet, where the numbers appear. Hover over the line between any two row numbers until your cursor changes. Then double-click. Google Sheets will automatically resize all selected rows, so they fit the content properly. Once both of these adjustments are complete, your spreadsheet should look much more organized. Text will be easier to read, hidden content will become visible, and extra empty space will be reduced. This is a simple formatting trick, but it can make a big difference when you are working with large datasets or sharing your sheet with others. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can automatically resize all cells in Google Sheets and give your spreadsheet a cleaner, more polished appearance.